Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If you don't have money right now, is it really the economy? Is it inflation? Is it your boss? Or is it something much closer to home? Because the truth is, most people don't have a money problem. They have a decision problem. Stay with me. You work hard. You're tired. You try to save. You try to plan. And somehow, at the end of every month, you're back at zero. It feels unfair. But what if I told you, the system isn't designed to make you rich. It's designed to make you comfortable enough not to question it. By the end of this video, you're going to discover the real reason you don't have money. And it's not what you think. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications, because this channel is about building real financial intelligence, not fake motivation. Now let's break this down. Direct hit the real reason one. You confuse income with wealth. In the US and UK, millions earn decent salaries. Yet most live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because income is temporary. Wealth is ownership. If you only earn but never own, you will always restart at zero. Money flows in, money flows out. No assets, no liberty, no compounding. That's not a money problem. That's a structure problem. Direct hit the real reason two. Lifestyle inflation is quietly destroying you. Be honest. When you got a raise, did your savings increase? Or did your lifestyle increase? Better phone, better car, better apartment, more subscriptions. We upgrade expenses faster than we upgrade investments. And we call it success. But real success is invisible. It looks boring. It looks disciplined. It looks slow until it explodes. Direct hit the real reason three. You trade time, but never build systems. Here's a hard truth. If you stop working tomorrow, does money still come in? If the answer is no, you don't have income. You have a dependency. Wealthy people focus on assets, equity, investments, digital leverage, ownership. They don't just work harder. They build once and get paid repeatedly. Fear drives most financial decisions. This is deeper than budgeting. Most people don't invest because they're afraid. Afraid of losing. Afraid of looking stupid. Afraid of risk. So they choose safety. But here's the paradox. Playing it safe long-term is the riskiest financial strategy. Inflation eats savings. Time kills opportunity. Comfort kills growth. And fear keeps you exactly where you are. You're trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. We live in a highlight culture. Social media shows luxury, travel, watches, cars, but never shows debt, stress, leverage, ownership structures. You don't build wealth to impress people. You build wealth to remove pressure. That's the difference. Here's the most powerful truth in this video. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. If you see yourself as someone who struggles with money, your actions will match that story. But if you start seeing yourself as an asset builder, your decisions change. Wealth is not built in the bank. It's built in the brain first. The reason you don't have money is not because you're incapable. It's because no one taught you how money actually works. School teaches you how to earn. It doesn't teach you how to own. And ownership is everything. Imagine this. 5 years from now, same job, same habits, same excuses. Nothing changes. Or 5 years from now, you own investments. You built a second income stream. You have options. You have breathing room. The difference between those futures? One decision. Today. If this video hit you hard, good. That means you're ready to grow. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and start thinking like an owner, not just a worker. Because money isn't avoiding you. You just haven't switched the logic yet. And once you do, everything changes.